In this video, I will show you how to find and use your RBC Virtual Visa debit card. All right, let's begin. First, open the RBC mobile app and log in using your client card number and password. Select your primary checking account, then tap Manage Card, usually found in the menu. Choose your primary client card number and tap Activate Virtual Visa Debit. Follow the prompts to review the terms and securely activate your card. To make online purchases, select Visa or Visa Debit as your payment method. Enter your RBC Virtual Visa Debit number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code found on the back of your card. For faster checkouts, add your Virtual Visa Debit card to your mobile wallet. This allows quick and easy payments in apps or at supported merchants. You can use your Virtual Visa Debit card to make purchases in the United States, internationally, or anywhere Visa is accepted. Plus, enjoy zero liability protection and 24/7 fraud controls to keep your transactions secure. So that's basically how you can find and use your RBC Virtual Visa Debit card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.